Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the XML workflow. Open your project and go straight to res/layout. Create a new layout XML file and a values file for styles or strings if they're not present. Once done, enable the Split XML editor and preview so you see markup and UI together. Make sure to pick an appropriate device and API level in the preview. This gives immediate visual feedback and avoids guesswork while you edit attributes and constraints. Now build the UI with XML. You should choose constraint layout for flexible positioning or linear layout for simple stacks. Add views with IDs, layout width and layout height, and set margins and constraints deliberately so rendering is stable. Once you place elements, extract repeating attributes to styles and dimensions in values / to keep XML DRY. Make sure to reference at +ID and at dimen consistently. This reduces runtime surprises and makes finish by inflating the XML in your activity or fragment with set content view or inflator and binding views via find view by ID or view binding. Once done, verify behavior on device or emulator. Use tools, attributes to show preview-only content without affecting runtime. If something breaks, check Gradle sync, resource file names, XML namespaces, XMLNS, Android, and constraint warnings in the preview. Finally, clean/rebuild the project and restart Android Studio if layouts fail to render. That fixes most transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.